got to get around the oil. Before you get into the oil, you got to remove it.
Yeah.